And we have another favorite. No! Musalu. Alhamdulillah. Very nice. I'm feeling great today. So, you think you're ready to be the next pop icon? I think I'm going to get ready for it. Oh, okay. Going to get ready. You have joined Western Region Got Talent. You became one of the finalists, right? Yes. So, this is another preparation. You're really singing contest. Yesterday never before was mixed. Was a mixed group. Yeah. So what preparation are you doing right now? First and foremost, preparation for vocalization. Kasi para mabanat-banat ng content. Second is the choice of genre. Kailangan medyo maayos na. Saka hindi na po and ina-update natin yung data ko. Okay. Good luck, Lou.
Kung maulit ang buhay kung may pagkakataon upang mamalas sa mga bagay-bagay na di ko natanto sa aking buhay. Nais kong maulit pa, ulit-ulitin pa ang buhay ko. Nais kong mabuhay muli. Nais kong maulit muli. Ulitin muli, paulit-ulit muli.
Remember my name.